Hi everyone, welcome back to Exclusively Nail Art. Today I will be showing you the short version of my cherry blossom inspired nail art. These are the materials that you are going to need. Your first step is going to be painting on your base coat. Your next step is going to be painting on the base color. It took me 3 coats. Now you have to paint the branches with the brown polish, a little brush, and I'm putting the polish onto Saran Wrap for easy dipping. Once you're completed with that, you are going to start painting on the flowers. So I use the same method and put the paint onto the Saran Wrap for easy dipping. Then I do about 5 dots in a circle to make a flower with 1 white dot in the middle. Then I go and I take a toothpick to drag from the outside to the middle to mix up my colors. Now that all of your nails are completed, you are going to paint on your top coat. And there you have it. That is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed my nail art tutorial today. If you did, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like this video. If you need to see a longer, more detailed version, click on the video that you see here. Thanks for stopping in. Bye!